Okay. Another late night video at my carport and shop. My little shed. I bought a saw. Another one. I've got an addiction to buying these. Because I ain't gonna be around forever. Because people like, you know who, and their green agenda. They want to control everybody's lives. Destroy our economy. You know, all those good things. Let the whole world into the country. Well, anyway, unchecked. People from prison. You know. Insane asylums. Didn't give them $200 a month free for nothing. Oh, for their vote. That's what. Okay. Let's see. Well, who wouldn't want to come here? Free money. Free everything. This is nice. I've been paying taxes here all my life. I'm just going to let them in. Doing nothing. Try to buy their vote. Of course they're going to vote for them because they want to stay here. They don't even have to do nothing. Just come here and vote for the Democrats. Hey, my motion detector light is working. That's weird. Doesn't usually work. Come on back on, motion detector light. That stupid thing. Oh yeah, this is an unboxing video. Let me tell you about this saw. I got it used, and it says for parts or repair. Well, it's way too good for parts. You know, nothing else. Put a new cylinder in it. Make it 5. Make it into a 620. Put a 620 cylinder in it. Or maybe just another. They got these pop-up pistons. That sounds interesting. It's got the plastic chain guard. Well, did a good job of packing. Now this is the story. The guy said he had the carburetor rebuilt by Saw Game Guy or somebody, reputable place, and then he said that the pull rope broke, so they replaced the pull rope, and it was running before he replaced the pull rope. Running. So that's weird. I don't know. They replaced the spark plug. Said something was wrong with this decompression valve. Maybe that's all it needs. Some guys, they think gas won't last longer than a month, and it really just won't. I wonder if it's got any gas in it, because I don't have any. So we're not going to try to start it. What we're going to do is, we're just going to kind of see what's up here. I'm going to get the gas cap wasn't on very tight. There's no gas in it. Tomorrow we might try to start it. I'm just going to check the compression. See what this thing looks like. Looks like it's in good shape. Chain brake's on. Now it's not. It's kind of a little bit dirty. Then it ran before we changed the pull rope. Does it look like a new pull rope? It's got compression. It's got a lot of compression. Well, not a lot. We're going to check it. That's what we're going to do. Wish I had some gas. This here is late night. out at the shop, or shack, with Shartney. Okay, I need to get my box out. Need some screwdrivers. And I bought a compression tester just for this reason. I'm an old shade tree mechanic. Just a shade tree is what my friend said. In high school, they used to have shop class in the auto mechanics. I took that, so I know the basics. I fixed a few jalopies in my time. I'm an old jalopy fixer. Hey, let's open up the wrench. Spark plug wrench. You know, see. It works. Come on. Man, that's good. Go ahead. Okay. Looks like it's in good enough shape. Work on. Make any good. Has some compression. He's kind of low on compression, I think. I don't know what it's going to do. There's absolutely no gas in there. I think he said there's a new filter in there. Man, I'm going to get some gas. Tomorrow we'll make another video where we try to start this sunbug. I know what I was doing now. I was trying to open this thing. Let's see if it had any spark. I'm sure he checked for spark. He suspects the guy bought it off the city. He thinks it needs a new piston. If it does, I'm going to put a pop-up piston in it. Well, go on eBay and get these real cheap pistons called a Little Red Barn, something like that. This is 44 millimeter. This is for my 490. Oh no. I think he said it had a new air filter. It's not new, but it ain't dirty. It is close to new, that's for sure. What's that for? Okay. Let's take the spark plug and see if it's... You know, sometimes people putting these spark plug boots on and they ain't got the... I see it in there. We need to pull it out and see if it's sparking. That's the first thing you check. Besides, if it's got gas in it, we ain't got no gas. That's okay. Man, is the plug in there tight enough? My gosh. You don't want to put your plug in that tight, people. Just strip it out. I may have to get a new cylinder no matter what. Oh my gosh. I've never seen one that tight. Damn. Making a video, so now the thing is as tight can get. Can't get it out to look at. Oh wow. Never put your spark plug in that tight. That must be a gorilla. Don't do that. Just strip them little. I don't know what these are made out of. Aluminum, something, magnesium, whatever that. I think it's aluminum, maybe. That ain't no new spark plug. Well, it could be. It looks like it's fouled to me. Are you guys still with me, or did that thing go off? It has done that. Oh, she's on. I guess so. Here's the spark plug. To me, that looks kind of fouled. It's brown right there. So, let's see if it sparks. Maybe. It's sparks. That's most of the battle. I bought an advanced flywheel half moon key. It's advanced 12 degrees. We can put that on there one of these days. Okay. I always get shocked by these. Let's see. It ain't like a truck or something. It's got metal. Where can I put that to see if it's sparking? It ain't gonna just spark up in the air, is it? That ain't I don't know. I don't know if that'll work or not. We need some way for some metal. This whole damn saw is plastic. Huh. It ain't gonna spark like that. What the heck? We're gonna have to take that off there. It ain't gonna spark just out in the open. We get a wrench. Well, this is a bigger saw than the 490, so I think this T27 is the right one for this. What we could do is check the compression, if nothing else around here. Let's try this out and check out compression, see what it is. Maybe that's all this video will be about. Opening the 590 up, checking the compression. That's important. The guy said he thought the compression was not any good. It does feel kind of weak. Let's see. Must be painful to watch. I've never used this thing yet. Hell. There, it's in there. Let's see which one needs to see it. Too small. This in here is probably just right. Yeah. Let's just see. Come on. My old one wasn't this hard to get the screw in. There it goes. Let's zero in on that thing. What is all that beeping, y'all? Am I bigging up a water line? Let's see what it does. I don't even know what these are supposed to put out. 100 pounds maybe? At least. Probably. Well, we'll find out. Feels like quite a bit of compression. Well, damn it. I can't hardly pull it on this table. I'm not holding compression because I don't think this thing's screwed in tight now. Dang, it feels like it got a lot of compression. I'm gonna have to get over here and pull it. I can't pull it over there. Ain't enough room. God! It's got plenty of compression. You can get it over there. Maybe it's all scored up. Yeah, I'm gonna run without gas. It don't look like it's got all that much. Well, it is a compression problem. Only says can y'all read that? About 75 pounds. Let's see if I can get some more out of it. I can't hardly pull it over. Maybe it's all scored up. It don't feel very good. Feels kind of rough. I'll just take it apart and look at the piston. Yeah. 75 pounds. That's horrible. She's got a compression problem. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's not too good. Not even 75. Yep. About 73 or 4. So, I'm gonna end this video. We're gonna take the muffler off and then come back. Or maybe I'll take it off in front of you. I don't know. I think that's